Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez, and today's video is a simple behind the scenes look into a photo shoot that I did recently with my friend Dania. Dania actually has her own boutique with a lot of awesome clothes, so I recommend not only following her on Instagram, but also her page, the page of the boutique. So I'll leave links to those in the description area below, so definitely give them a follow. The lights that I used were the Godox AD300 Pro and the Godox AD100 Pro. I used the 300 with a 34-inch glow beauty dish that's silver, and the 100 Pro either was bare, had a gel attached to it, or I had the 24-inch Angler Fastbox attached to it. That 24-inch Angler Fastbox is actually an awesome softbox that I do plan to review very, very soon. So if it's actually finished by the time of you guys are seeing this video, I'll leave a link to it in the top right corner screen and in the description area below. But if it's not ready, I'll give you guys a quick review, or quick preview actually, of why I used it throughout the entire Shutterfest conference that I recently attended. Okay, so here is the 100 Pro and the Angler Fastbox I have set aside. I'll show you how very quickly I can combine the two together to make a 100 watt, very nice and portable soft light beast. So here's the softbox and here's the 100. I'm gonna show you guys how very quickly it is to attach them together. So again, so here's the timer starting now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I'm done. And it's just as fast to remove them as well. So let me do that right now. That was very, very quick, wasn't it? And again, it's very slim. And then also this is very small too, but this could either be used with the 100 Pro or the V1, or things for photos A1 and A10 as well. I really, really do like that setup, but again, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll leave all my thoughts and a lot more information about the setup in the review I'm working on. If you guys are interested in that softbox or any of the other gear that I have in this video, I'll leave links to everything in the description area below. And if you guys have any questions at all about anything in the photo shoot, just let me know in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. Before I do start this behind the scenes video, I wanted to quickly let you guys know about my friend Alon's awesome all-inclusive creative retreat that's going to be happening in Iceland from July 12th to July 14th. It's going to be 3 days of networking, portfolio building, and just a nice getaway to have fun and create in an exotic location. There's going to be 2 real couples and a private guide so that nobody gets lost or anything, while having several photography and cinematography opportunities in various settings styled for engagement, fashion, and wedding. There's going to be 4 different photo shoots, 2 sunrise and 2 sunset shoots that take place over the course of 2 days, and each attendee is going to have their own one-on-one time with each model and couple so that you have your own unique images and or video. What's included for everyone is transportation to each location, housing, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the tourist guide, 2 tourist experiences, access to the drone shots of Iceland that you can use for your own purposes. There's also going to be someone taking behind the scenes material of everyone so that you can use that for your own reels and marketing. And there's also going to be vow exchange audio files for any cinematographers. If you guys are interested in attending, the first 3 of you to use the promo code Iceland10 will get 10% off of your spot. And spots are definitely limited, so I would recommend signing up right away. The link to sign up is going to be alonmartinez.com/Iceland. I'll leave a link in the description area below. I am not 100% sure that I'll be able to attend. I'm around 70% sure, but if I do attend, I'll let you guys know as soon as possible. I really hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes look into this photo shoot that I did with Dania. But for now, take care and I'll see you in the next video.
anything.